Hello everyone, welcome here. Today we are going to learn how to establish a database connection from Django framework, Python Django framework to PostgreSQL. So let's see, it's a very important thing. And here, if you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support. Now let's see, I have installed PyCharm in my computer system. So just initiate it. And you have to take in a step-by-step process to reach to establish creating Django project, Django installation, and inside the project then you have to create apps. There is a file called settings.py. So go to the settings.py. There is a category, easiest way here it is there for to configure database. So come to the databases category. Here it is a simple answer. Let's see. Default engine Django.db.backends.postgresql is an engine. So my name, like a name is nothing but my DB. It's a database name. What is the database you are created? And database user login and password. What the password you put and you set for your database. And host, if it is a local host, same computer machine is having database, then it is a local host, or else it would be like a IP address of the database server. And the port number is now 5432 is the default port for PostgreSQL. That's it. Configure this settings.py file successfully and enjoy with PostgreSQL relational database management system to integrating your Django framework projects. Good luck. If you feel this video lecture is helping you, please do subscribe, support us. Thank you.